Today I am introducing Gionee S11S with all its specs, features and price. So see full video and don't forget about subscribing, and must hit like, thanks. Gionee S11S is releasing in December 2017. S11S has dual SIM, NANO SIM, and dual standby. Gionee S11S has AMOLED capacitive touchscreen, 16M colors. S11S has 6.01 inches large screen. And also multi-touch. Gionee S11S has Android 7.1, Nougat. CPU of S11S is Octa-core, 4x2. 3 GHz Cortex-A53, and 4x1. 65 GHz Cortex-A53, and 256 GB memory card is sported and internal memory of S11S is 64 GB, with 6 GB RAM. Gionee S11S has dual 16MP plus 8MP autofocus, LED flash, Geo-tagging, touch focus, face detection, HDR, and panorama are features of S11S. It has dual 20MP plus 8MP front camera. Sensor of Gionee S11S are fingerprint, rear-mounted, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, and compass. It has non-removable LiPo 3600 mAh battery and S11S is available in silver and gold colors, and price of S11S is €500.
Thanks for watching. Must like the video and also subscribe our channel for watching more upcoming videos.